Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching. So one of the ways to fix that problem by going to Windows and click the right mouse, and you're going to be able to see multiple options. Just go ahead and click on the settings, and you're going to see the settings appearing to you like this, right? Scroll a little bit down, you're going to see mobile devices, apps, and defaults. Go ahead right here, click apps, and then scroll a little bit down. Right here you're going to see the apps and features, right? Basically in the apps and features you're gonna see the Roblox, and if Roblox had new update and your Roblox was on the older version, what you're gonna do, obviously you're gonna just go ahead and click, let's say for example this is Roblox, so you're gonna uninstall the app, and you're gonna force yourself to reinstall the app. So after you install the app and then getting ready to download the app, go ahead to the official website. You don't need to do you don't need to do any heavy lifting. Just go ahead, scroll a little bit down, go ahead and let's say for example you gotta play this game, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead into playing this game. It says right here Roblox is now downloading, get ready, and then you're gonna see prompts that allows you to download and install Roblox. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.